line. Okay, let us write this line equation as 5y is equal to 15x plus 13, or y is equal to 3x plus 13 by 5. The slope of this line is is 3. Now, what is the slope of the curve? What is asking? Perpendicular. So we know m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So 3 into m2 is equal to minus 1, or m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now what is dy by dx of this curve? Dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. Now what is the slope given? Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 equal to 2x minus 2. So what we get now? 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2x. Or you get, this is 5 by 3 means 5 by 6 is the value of x. Okay, so you know the x value. Similarly, we can find the y value and we'll find the equation of a tangent to it. So y is equal to, they gave as x square minus 2x plus 7. So what is the value of x now? X equal to 5 by 6 means 25 by 36 minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. So best method is 25 minus, if you multiply by 6, will give you 60 plus 36 into 7 by 36. So it's a method where you can easily calculate. So you will get the result as, 36 into 7 is equal to 52. So 25 minus 60 plus 252 divided by 36. So this will give you result as 25 minus 60 plus 252 equal to 217. 217 by 36 is the y value. We know x value, we know y value. So equation of tangent will be y minus 217 by 36 is equal to, slope how much we got? Slope is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 and x minus, what is x value? Minus 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Okay, so this can again be written as 36y minus 217 is equal to minus x divided by 36, of course, minus x by 3 minus plus 5 by 18. So we multiply by 36. 36y minus 217 is equal to minus 12x plus 5 to the 10. So finally we can write 12x plus 36y minus 227 is equal to 0 is equation of tangent.